Hello, cricket fans. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we pay tribute to one of the greatest cricketers of our time, Virat Kohli. With his retirement from Test cricket, an era of passion, grit, and excellence comes to a close. In this video, we'll revisit the unforgettable moments and milestones that define his legendary Test career. Virat Kohli began his Test journey in 2011 against the West Indies. At just 22, he displayed the aggression and brilliance that would shape his career. His first Test century came in 2012 at Adelaide, marking his arrival on the big stage. More than just runs, it was Kohli's passion and fierce competitiveness that stood out. Over time, he evolved from a fiery youngster into a world-class batsman. Over the years, Virat Kohli built an incredible Test career, scoring 27 centuries, second only to Sachin among Indian batsmen. His consistency and ability to perform in tough conditions made him a standout. A defining moment came during the 2018-19 tour of Australia, where his leadership and batting led India to their first ever Test series win on Australian soil, a historic achievement with Kohli at its core. Kohli's impact went beyond his batting. His passionate leadership transformed Team India. As Test captain, he led India to the top of the ICC rankings in 2016 and kept them there for years. His aggressive, fearless approach inspired the team to adopt bold strategies, especially overseas. Under his leadership, India became a global powerhouse, with historic wins in Australia and strong performances in England. Kohli's iconic centuries at venues like Lord's, Perth, and Centurion showcased his grit in tough conditions. Whether in South Africa, England, or Australia, he proved his mental strength and adaptability. A standout moment came in 2014 at Adelaide, where his brilliant 141 in a tense fourth innings chase against Australia highlighted his ability to thrive under pressure, cementing his status as a modern-day great. As Virat Kohli steps away from Test cricket, it's important to recognize the legacy he leaves behind. His contribution to Indian cricket goes beyond the records. He inspired a generation of cricketers with his passion for fitness, his hunger for success, and his unwavering commitment to the game. Kohli redefined what it means to be a modern-day cricketer, pushing the boundaries of athleticism, discipline, and mental toughness. Off the field, Kohli's influence has been immense. From being a role model to young cricketers to raising the profile of the game globally, his impact has been far-reaching. His energy, his presence, and his commitment to the Indian cricket team will be missed on the Test circuit. With Kohli's retirement from Test cricket, a new chapter begins. His departure opens the door for fresh talent, but his legacy will continue to inspire generations. Though we may not see him in whites again, Kohli's impact on the game is lasting, his name forever etched in cricketing history. Virat Kohli's retirement from Test cricket marks the end of an era, but it's not the end of his journey in the world of cricket. Whether as a player or a mentor, Kohli's love for the game will continue. Here's to the king, Virat Kohli, one of the finest to ever play the game. We'll miss you on the field, but your legacy will live on for years to come. Thank you for watching this tribute to Virat Kohli's legendary Test career. Let us know your favorite Kohli moment in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more cricket updates.